Is your iPhone storage full? Don't worry. In just 5 minutes, we'll show you how to fix it without having to delete any apps. First, let's talk about common reasons why your storage might be full. Don't forget, it isn't just about the apps. Setting up iCloud is a great way to maximize your storage. Here's how to back up your photos and documents easily. Next, you can offload unused apps. This frees up space without permanently deleting them. Let's check your downloaded files from apps like Music and Files. Cleaning these up can save you a lot of space. To manage your photos and videos, you can use the Optimize iPhone Storage feature. Here's how. Don't forget about temporary files. Here are some quick methods to clear cache without losing your app data. Managing iMessage threads can also free up space. Let's explore how to delete old conversations effectively. Lastly, consider third-party storage solutions that can complement your iPhone storage for added security. And that's it. A recap of methods to manage your storage effectively, without deleting a single app. Ready to take action?